Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the Google Sheet and confirming you own or can edit it. Once done, pick the exact sheets or cell ranges you want to restrict. This narrows scope and prevents accidental lockouts. Make a quick backup copy now so you can restore data if protection misfires. Next, review collaborator roles, editors versus viewers, because those roles determine what protection steps are needed and who will be affected. You select the cells or an entire sheet, then open Data Protect Sheets and Ranges to begin. Describe the protected area so collaborators know its purpose. Clarity reduces support questions. Choose the permission mode, restrict editing to yourself, add specific editors, or display a warning that allows edits but discourages them. Make sure to test by attempting an edit in an incognito window or a different account to verify the restriction is active and behaving as expected. Once protection is configured, enforce it by saving and informing editors what changed. Communication prevents confusion. If you need to allow someone, use the exception list rather than removing protection entirely, because that keeps control while enabling collaboration. Finally, if someone still cannot edit, check share settings, confirm they are signed into the correct account, and consult version history to recover any accidental edits. These steps resolve most permission and access issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.